Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be dyeing half of my hair purple. So hindi ko alam bakit laging purple yung sinasabi ko, pero violet guys. Violet yung kulay ng hair color. So as you can see, this is the current situation of my blonde hair. So as you can see, hindi sila pantay, I know. But let's go, and I'm going to dye half of my hair purple. So yung ilalim is going to be purple and on top would be this color. So let's go. First things I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair. So let's just my hair. Just going to be, oh my god. So this is the part where I'm going to dye it purple. So here are I just have the mixing bowl, gloves, my hairbrush tool, applicator, the hair color. This is the Vermont in 022 Violet. This one. And then my 6% oxidizing milk developer. Yeah. So I'm just going to mix the dye and the oxidizer together, and let's go. At this point, hindi ko makita yung nasa likod, so I'm gonna call a friend. So this is my sister, she's gonna call a friend. Yan. Parents? Yes. Wait, let me pull up my phone though. So now I just finished with the dyeing process. So ayun siya. Yan, and I'm just going to wait for 20 to 30 minutes for it to soak it down, and I'll be right back. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I've already blow dried it, and it's so dark. Like on camera it looks like black, but it's actually purple. Like sa personal, it's really dark purple. Pero yung pick up ng camera ko is black. And that's it. So this is how my hair turned out to be. Is it a fail? I don't think so, because this is what I'm really planning to do. But I hope na sana mag-lighten siya after few washes. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like for this video. If you do like this kind of video, please make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot. So thank you so much. Till the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. See you again soon.